Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to set up and configure iSCSI Target Server and iSCSI Initiator. Open Server Manager. Our computer name is L Server. Our domain name is stb.local. Our Ethernet IP address is 10.0.0.1. Now I am going to install iSCSI Target Server. Go to Dashboard. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Roles-based and feature-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Expand File and Storage Services. Expand File and iSCSI Services. Scroll down. Check on iSCSI Target Server. Click Next. Click Next again. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is complete. Now the installation is completed. Click Close. Click on File and Storage Service. Click iSCSI. Click on to create an iSCSI virtual disk. Select volume. In this server I have only one disk and one partition of 80 gigabits. If you have a multiple storage on your server, you can choose the another one. In my case I will choose C drive. Click Next. Type disk name. I am given it name disk 1. Click Next. Virtual disk size. I am given it 20 gigabits space. Click Next. New iSCSI target. Click Next. Fill target name. I am given it name disk 1. Click Next. Click Add. Select IP address. Type here IP address of client machine. 10.0.0.45 is our client machine IP address. Click OK. Click Next. Enable authentication, leave as default. Click Next. Click on Create. iSCSI virtual disk was created successfully. Click Close. Now I am going to create another iSCSI virtual disk. Click on Task. Click on iSCSI virtual disk. Select Volume. Click Next. Type disk name. I am given it name disk 2. Click Next. Virtual disk size. I am given it 10 gigabits space. Click Next. New iSCSI target. Click Next. Fill target name. I am given it name disk 2. Click Next. Click Add. Select IP address. Type here IP address of client machine. 10.0.0.45. Click OK. Click Next. Enable authentication, leave as default. Click Next. Click on Create. iSCSI virtual disk was created successfully. Click Close. Go to another machine which want to mount iSCSI disk. Go to Run. Type CMD. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Our Windows 11 machine IP address is 10.0.0.2. Type ncpa.cpl. Press Enter. Go to Ethernet Properties. Select TCP IP version 4. Click on Properties. Change IP address. 10.0.0.45. Click OK. Click Close. Close network connection. Type Exit. Press Enter. Click on Start. Type iSCSI. Click iSCSI Initiator. Click Yes. Type here target iSCSI server address 10.0.0.1. This is our server IP address. Click Quick Connect. Now our both disk is showing but it is inactive mode. Click on Connect. Now the both disk is active and connected. Click Done. Click Volumes and Devices. Click Auto Configure. Now our both disk OS configured. Click OK. Click Start. CMD. Click Open. Type diskmgmt.msc. Press Enter. Initialize both disk. Click OK. Both disk is showing here. Right-click on Disk 1. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Right-click on Disk 2. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Now our both disk is formatted. Let's close Disk Management. Close Command Prompt. Double-click on this PC. As you can see, our both disk is connected. Click Close. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up and configure iSCSI Target Server and iSCSI Initiator on Windows Server 2025 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.